Welcome to the ultimate guide to getting Monopoly Go free dice rolls instantly. If you're looking for a fast and easy way to get more rolls in your Monopoly Go game without spending money, we've got the perfect solution for you. This method uses a free online source that's reliable, safe, and simple to use. Here's how it works. The source requires 3 key details: your Monopoly Go user ID, your device type iOS or Android, and the number of dice rolls you want to add. Once you provide this information, the system instantly generates the dice rolls and credits them directly into your account. But wait, there's a catch. To ensure you're a real user and not a bot, the source will ask you to complete a quick verification process. The task: download and play a popular game until you reach game level 9. This step is easy and takes just a few minutes of gameplay. Once you complete the verification, your requested dice rolls will be automatically credited to your Monopoly Go account. Whether you're searching for Monopoly Go free dice December 2024, Monopoly Go cheats, or even a legitimate Monopoly Go dice hack, this method is exactly what you need. It's completely safe and works seamlessly, offering you an edge in collecting properties, winning rewards, and outplaying your friends. This tool also provides Monopoly Go free dice links and Monopoly Go free spins, making it a comprehensive solution for all your in-game needs. Say goodbye to waiting for free rolls or spending cash on dice packs. This method will have you playing non-stop in no time. Don't forget to watch the full video for the step-by-step guide and tips for completing the verification quickly. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more gaming hacks and tricks.